LogicMonitor allows you to route alerts to the right people on your team when there is a problem. Escalation chains tell LogicMonitor what people, or what groups of people, alert notifications should be sent to. When alerts are triggered, the system checks through your alert rules to determine which escalation chain to route to. Escalation chains can be created from the Settings tab of your account. Let's add an escalation chain that can be used to route critical alerts to our network team. Click Add, and let's name the escalation chain Critical Network. It's a good practice to make your escalation chains with names that make sense. That will help you keep your alert routing organized. Let's add a description that this is going to be used to route to the production network team. Rate limiting allows you to specify a maximum number of alerts that should be delivered to this escalation chain. For example, we can specify that we want a maximum of 20 alerts to be routed to this chain in 10 minutes. We can add a stage and set the recipients to the ops network. You can continue to add more stages. As the alert escalates, it will be sent out to these stages in order. Now we'll show how to add a rule that routes critical network alerts to the escalation chain that we just created. Select Add, and we'll name this rule Critical Alerts Networking, and we'll give it a priority of 300. The priority for a rule determines in what order it is checked. When alerts are triggered, they are checked against the rules one at a time, starting with the rule with the lowest number priority, until a rule matches the alert, at which time processing stops and alert notifications are sent out to the escalation chains specified in the matching rule. We will set the alert level to only match critical alerts, and only alerts from the devices in the networking group. And we want it to apply to all devices in the group. We also want it to apply to all data sources and data points, so we will wildcard these fields. Suppressing alert clear messages will not send a message to recipients when the alert clears. Let's set the escalation interval to 10 minutes. The escalation interval is the amount of time that should pass after the alert message is sent to the first stage in an escalation chain before it is sent to the next stage. The alert stops escalating when it is acknowledged by someone. Since we only specified one stage, the alert messages will just keep resending to the same stage every 10 minutes until someone acknowledges the alert. We need to specify the escalation chain we just added here. Click Save, and you can see the rule that we just created in the Alert Rules table.